Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about something which is very special to me and I believe to all of us. That is beauty of nature and the importance of wildlife conservation. Have you ever walked in a park and listened to birds singing or butterflies fluttering? These moments make us feel happy and calm because nature is beautiful and magical. Nature is like a wonderful book full of colorful pictures and amazing stories. Every flower, trees, and animals has a special role on this story. Imagine a world without the songs of birds, leaves rustling of tall trees, or the happy, cheerful jumps of the deers. It would be a quieter and lonelier place. Nature gives us fresh air to breathe, fresh water to drink, and food to eat. It's like a gift which keeps on giving us and we should always treasure it. Did you know that some of our animal friends and plants are in danger? Their homes like the forest and the rivers are being destroyed. Some animals like the tigers and the elephants are becoming very fewer and fewer. So if we didn't do something, they might just go disappear forever, just like the dinosaurs went extinct a long time ago. So this is why wildlife conservation is very important. Conservation means taking care of the nature and the living creatures in it. It also means taking care of the animals from safer places to live and enough food to eat. It also means protecting the forest and the oceans from pollution and harm. We can all help with these things by doing simple tips. So the tip number 1 is plant trees. Trees are like the lungs of our earth. They provide oxygen for us and provide homes for many animals. Tip number 2 is reduce, reuse and recycle. This helps keep our planet clean and reduces waste. Tip number 3 is saving water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth and take shorter showers. Tip number 4 is learn and share. Learn about different animals and plants and share what you learn with your family and friends. By doing these things, we are showing our planet that we care for them and the living creatures in it. Remember, every little action counts. Just like tiny drops of water can make a mighty ocean, just like that, our small efforts can make a big difference. We can all promise to take care of a beautiful nature and protect our wildlife. Together, we can make sure that the future generations will be also able to enjoy the wonders of the natural world. Thank you and have a nice day.